Hello user, thank you for choosing the Smart Vision glasses. Inside your box, you will find a thank you card, a pouch, a charging cable, a user manual and a headband. Inside the pouch you will find a microfiber cloth and a pair of Smart Vision glasses. Let's check the components of Smart Vision glasses. Power button is located on top of the device. The long horizontal line on the device is given for easy swiping and tapping. The circle is the standby button. Charging port is located at the end of the device. Press the button on the top to turn on the device. A beep sound is enabled to let the user know that the device is on. To turn off, press the same button and there is no sound given for turning the device off. Move your finger from the front to the back along the swiping line to navigate through the modes. Move your finger from the back to the front along the swiping line to go back to the previous mode. A single tap anywhere on the swiping line activates a feature. Connect the Type-C charging cable to the charging port located at the end of the device. A small red LED indicator on the glasses will light up, showing that the device is charging. It takes approximately 20 to 30 minutes to fully charge the device. The Bluetooth power button is located on the right side of the frames. Press and hold the button till it says "Hello" to turn on the Bluetooth glasses. Press and hold the same button till it says "Goodbye" to turn it off. After it says "Hello," go to Bluetooth settings on your mobile phone and connect to Oho Sunshine and pair the Bluetooth frames with your phone. The charging port of the frames is located under the right side of the frames. Connect the Type-B charging cable to the charging port to charge the Bluetooth frames. Install the Smart Vision Glasses Pro app from the link sent to you through WhatsApp and follow the instructions given by the app to configure the device with your phone. Thank you.